Biomedical engineering is a multidisciplinary field that combines principles of engineering, biology, and medicine to develop solutions for healthcare and medical challenges. It involves applying engineering techniques, concepts, and methodologies to design, develop, and improve medical devices, equipment, systems, and technologies. Biomedical engineers work at the intersection of these disciplines to create innovative solutions that can enhance patient care, improve diagnosis and treatment, and advance medical research. Professionals in this field often collaborate with doctors, surgeons, researchers, and other experts to ensure that their innovations are safe, effective, and beneficial to both patients and healthcare providers. At the University of Arizona, our biomedical engineering program provides a strong foundation in engineering and math with applications to biotechnology and health and life sciences. Our design-driven curriculum offers students hands-on experience in research labs with our esteemed faculty of biomedical engineers. In addition to our core BME faculty members, we have over 20 joint appointment faculty, meaning there is significant collaboration between the College of Medicine, College of Science, College of Optical Sciences, and other College of Engineering departments. Some key areas within our biomedical engineering degree include medical imaging, medical devices, biomaterials, tissue engineering and regenerative medicine, and medical informatics. Whatever your professional goals are, BME can offer you the opportunity to explore what interests you. During your time as a BME student, there will be opportunities for you to work in a laboratory that will give you hands-on research experience. We are adjacent to the university's medical school and hospital, so many of these opportunities are with faculty carrying out translational research with their medical school colleagues. These research opportunities are not to be missed. Several BME undergraduate students have even been able to travel to national and international meetings to present the work that they have done. BME clubs like the Biomedical Engineering Society, or BMES, and the Medical Device Club will help you connect with your peers and provide great networking opportunities with faculty, physicians, and industry leaders. All senior UArizona engineering students take a capstone course and complete design projects, which is a big reason recruiters consider our students work ready. Every year, several biomedical projects are sponsored by our industrial and academic partners, and BME students are consistently on teams that win awards. In 2023, BME students were on a team that took home the top award that came with a $7,000 prize. Biomedical engineering is a fast-growing field that is expected to grow 10% in the next decade. There are several paths students can take once they graduate: direct to career, graduate school, or medical school. Whatever path you decide to take, BME sets our students up for success. To learn more about our bachelor's degree program, visit bme.engineering.arizona.edu or follow us on social media for more information.
So my name is Mario Romero Ortega. I'm the new head of the Biomedical Engineering Department. So first of all, welcome all of you to UA. Biomedical engineering is a fascinating discipline whereby we are using engineering devices, computing, electrical, all different types of engineering tools to address medical problems, to address disease, to understand, evaluate, diagnose, treat conditions. And in so doing, we're really making a contribution to society, right? We're really excited about problems that are hard to tackle. For instance, how do you engineer a brain, right? You think about it, we barely understand the brain, but bioengineers are really focusing on trying to develop the tools that allow us to extract information of what neurons do, how are they connected. We develop computational models, and then we use that to create therapies. So it's very exciting. So I welcome you all to come to look at what our professors are doing, our colleagues are doing. And it's also a discipline that allows you to collaborate. It's intrinsically a discipline that you need to talk to the other areas in engineering, but also to medical doctors, to clinicians. and medical health professions as a whole. And finally, it offers you the entire pathway from a question that intrigues you all the way to the possibility of creating a company that changes how healthcare is delivered.
Hi, Wildcats. My name is Diana Wilson. I'm the Senior Academic Advisor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering, and I welcome you to the university. If you are interested in biomedical engineering, I will get to work with you from the minute you declare, or if you're interested in biomedical engineering, to graduation. And I can help you with course planning. I can help you with planning your extracurriculars, getting involved with research, and finding all the different ways to make your experience amazing on campus. I always say I'm the luckiest advisor. I've been here since the department started with undergrads for 11 years now. So I look forward to working with you if you're interested, and you can find me on Trellis to make an appointment. And I hope you have a wonderful fall semester.
Hello, everyone. My name is Rafael Romero, and I'm currently a third-year PhD student in the Biomedical Engineering program here at the University of Arizona. As an undergrad, I got my degree here in biomedical engineering as well. And even though I did graduate and it was a big milestone in my life, I don't think I was done yet in terms of biomedical engineering. So what I did was I decided to continue my education and do my master's and now PhD. And some of the work that I focus on right now is developing low-cost portable technology to help bridge the gap in health disparity in different communities. And my focus is doing different types of imaging to complete that. And overall, I've enjoyed the journey so far, and I'm looking forward to the amount of people that I'm able to help. A lot of people say in this type of work that doctors can help thousands, but engineers can help millions. So.
Hi, my name is Terrence Sisterson, and I'm a graduate of the U of A BME program from the class of 2015. I now work at Roche Tissue Diagnostics, leading development teams through the product development process to create cancer diagnostic devices. While in the BME program, I created lifelong friends and connections that I still use today. The classes I took as an upperclassman showed me how cool the science of this field can be and the impact that we can have when we progress it. The program has made a lot of changes since my time that will make the education of future students even better. There are more design classes for more real hands-on experience, and there are more opportunities to see the really cool science in person. BMEs are changing the world for the better, and it starts here with this program.
My research lab creates devices that intimately integrate with the human body. We're very good at making devices soft and squishy or tiny in order to create interfaces with organs such as your skin, the brain, muscles, and also your bones to provide us with an insight about what is going on in your body that is helpful to make new diagnostic and therapeutic tools. I'll give you a couple of examples. Wearable devices that we developed, we call this device class biosymbiotic electronics, 3D printed. They are powered externally, so you never have to take them off. And we can capture information from your body that your fitness wearable or your smartwatch cannot. For example, we can capture sweat and analyze it. We can look at the skin temperature and make inferences about how your body is doing. We also have interfaces to organs that are inside of you. For example, we create devices that wrap around your heart in order to pace it with light. We can accomplish this via new techniques such as optogenetics that allow us to have side effect-free pacing and cardiac therapy. We also make interfaces with the brain with light that provide us with the ability to help you cure your neurodegenerative diseases. Or we create electronics that directly grow to the bone in order to capture your bone health after you had a major incident, or if you're older and you have osteoporosis, to provide the physician with the ability to capture progress of recovery and also guide the therapy.
Hi, I'm Beth Hutchinson, and I'm part of the core faculty here in the Biomedical Engineering Department. And when I came here in 2019, I named my research group the Multiscale Brain Imaging Lab, because that's really at the essence of what we do. We're interested in using magnetic resonance imaging in order to map microscale features like cells and tissues across the whole brain. And we image all sorts of brains, from a mouse, like shown here, all the way up to humans. To do that, we're really drilling into the microstructure, the physical features of cells and tissues, and using that in a way that we can extract information with MRI and map it across the whole brain. And we accomplish that primarily using a technique called diffusion MRI. And the idea behind that is simple and elegant. It's that we know the fluid dynamics of the diffusion of water, and in tissue, that's going to be restricted in different directions due to the presence of cell barriers. We can sensitize our MRI signal to that water displacement, and we can collect a bunch of different images with different features in different directions, and then use those in order to create maps that highlight the microstructural features about cells and tissues that we're interested in. In my lab, we apply this technique to better understand traumatic brain injury and Alzheimer's disease, and we accomplish this with two translational types of experiments. The first is the use of animal models, in which we recapitulate the human brain pathology that we expect in an animal model in rodents like mice and rats, or we also use a ferret model, which has a more human-similar brain. The second type of clinically relevant experiment that we do is to use postmortem human tissue from people that had a disorder in life, like Alzheimer's disease. And we sensitize our MRI signal to diffusion properties that might provide novel markers of pathology in these disorders. In the lab, our students do sort of everything in the imaging process, from working with the animal models to preparing the different specimens to putting the specimens into the scanner and scanning them, as shown here. And then a lot of our work is done on the computer with image processing and analysis. Ultimately, we end up with a wide range of techniques that we can use, both diffusion and complementary techniques, to map different brain tissues, from fixed tissues that are small all the way up to human brains in vivo. And we use this to better understand the disorders we study, and also to develop novel markers that hopefully can one day be used clinically.